Hi everyone, sitting here today we have a double Frymaster fryer, electric, 208 volt. We are trying to clean this fryer and to boil it. Then I saw that something easy that anyone can do many times a week to keep their fryer clean as much as possible. It's a basket hanger. Usually when you hang your baskets here, when you don't cook, usually it drips the oil in here, and it builds up like you can see here, and it becomes a fire hazard. So I will recommend for anyone to do it from time to time, twice a week, at least once in a week, when you want to boil your fryers out. It's just two screws. It's very easy task. Anyone can do it. Maybe you can do this daily, but we understand that there's a lot of things to do in the kitchen, in a busy kitchen especially. So it's a very easy job to do. As you can see, this came out of a busy kitchen. We understand, but it's still a fire hazard, and it's always recommended to clean them from time to time. Look at here. It's just two screws, one here and another one in this side. So it's very easy. You see, I put some degreaser here to boil out this fryer. So when I was putting some degreaser here, and it's very easy to come off. You take just a scraper like this, and you do like this, and it comes off. It doesn't take even 5 minutes to clean it and put it back, like this one too. Just to scrape it like this. And when I clean it, I will show you how it looks like. Then we will put it back together. Thank you. Hi, we are back. After we cleaned the basket hanger, as you can see, very clean. No grease, no nothing. It's very clean. The bolts are also clean. So it's time to put them back, as you can see here. After they are clean, they are very easy to put it just with the hand, with the fingers. As you can see, it's very nice, clean. And here's the other one beside it. You see how greasy and dirty it is. And this is how we do it. I hope this video helps keeping your fryers as clean as possible. Thank you very much for watching.